Days of God equal planes of consciousness, a clear symbolic map for mirror of nothingness. Day 1 origin plane, theme consciousness awakens, the first moment of self recognition, not light as in photons, but as in awareness becoming aware of itself. The infinite perceives itself as I. Birth of the mirror, awareness reflects, duality begins, not in form but in recognition. Day 2, Aeonic plane, theme distinction without division. Consciousness creates the first contrast, above and below, inner and outer. This is the field of eternal archetypes, untouched by time but now given structure. Possibility arises without motion. The pattern is born, reality exists as potential, unfallen and undistorted. Day 3, Celestial plane, theme design crystallizes. Consciousness organizes itself into geometry, harmony, and sacred proportion. The divine mind expresses as form without density. Order emerges from silence. The blueprint for galaxies and souls is encoded here. Form exists but is still translucent with source. Day 4, Causal plane, theme, direction, intention, and sequence. Movement through cause and consequence is introduced. Purpose, destiny, and spiritual law become governing principles. The soul's journey is mapped. Time is born, not linear time, but meaningful sequence. Karma, not punishment, but continuity. Day 5, Astral plane, theme, emotion, image, and identity. The mind begins to dream itself, and those dreams take on feeling and form. Symbol, story, and personal identity emerge. Reflection turns into projection. The soul experiments with masks. The first illusions of separation take shape. Day 6, Material plane, theme, densification, and forgetting. The most condensed form of reality appears. Spirit slows into matter, vibration becomes structure. Perception narrows to the five senses. The soul is clothed in form. Divine origin becomes a forgotten memory. Day 7, Distortion plane, theme, withdrawal of direct light. The infinite no longer directly steers perception. Free will fully emerges. Without source and focus, illusion deepens. This is the plane of dream, not rest. The mirror turns opaque and self begins to fragment. Reverse spiral equals the return. To ascend is to reverse the descent. From distortion to awareness, from fragmentation to coherence, from illusion to origin. Every day is not just a creative act, it is a mirror layer of perception. Short summary table. Below we have a graph. Day, plane, theme, explanation. Day 1, origin. Self-awareness ignites. Consciousness becomes aware of itself. Day 2, aeonic. Pattern without motion. Archetypes arise timelessly. Day 3, celestial. Harmony and order. Sacred design and geometry. Day 4, causal. Purpose and sequence. Soul paths and spiritual law. Day 5, astral. Emotion and dream. identity, desire, and projection. Day 6, material, crystallized perception, form, density, and forgetting. Day 7, distortion, illusion and dreaming, separation, free will, and self-reflection.